paper plate crafts.
I've got so many paper plates. I want to create something and use my imagination. Let's see what I've got in my toy trunk. Ooh, look at all these jewels and gemstones. So many pipe cleaners in tons of different colors. Oh, a cup full of poof balls. I love poof balls. Ooh, some paint and more paint and more paint. Some markers. And good golly, some googly eyes. This is gonna be great. Oh, before I get started, let's get suited up. Isn't it fun that something we use all the time can be turned into so many neat things with just a little imagination?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.